Here's how we turned this outdated hoarder house, completely full of stuff, tons of things broken, into this updated, modern, move-in ready home. Excited to show y'all. It's been about 6 weeks since y'all have seen me here last. We showed y'all what this house looked like before, and we're excited to show y'all everything we've done to it since. As you see, we did all new landscaping throughout the front of this house. We did an entire pallet of mulch. We did some boxwood hedges. We painted the entire outside of the house. We did the brick. We did the trim. We actually even painted these window seals. We didn't want to do all new windows in this house, mostly because it doesn't have very many. We thought it would look good as is. They weren't that bad, and they actually cleaned up and they look really nice. We actually did some staging as well. We have a little bit of stuff right here. All new hardware throughout the entire home, but come on in, this thing really shines. It's located in North Bedford, not too far from where I live, so it was easy to check up on, easy to do a really good job on. Right off the bat, you'll see all new painting, lighting, trim, flooring throughout the entire house. This thing was stuffed with stuff, okay? A lot of it was right here. You couldn't hardly see in here because there isn't a whole lot of natural light in this, but what we did do is what we do with every project. We clean it up, start with a blank slate, get in here and say, okay, what do we need to do? We didn't move any walls because we wanted to avoid the permitting process for this home. So we kept its original structure and layout, but I actually really like it. Come in here, you'll see we have this beautiful edge we did with these LVP flooring. This is a little lighter oak color than what I normally use, and I really like it. Over here, what you'll notice is 6-inch baseboards. We do this in all of our projects. It just gives a better look. It makes it it's an upgraded trim package, really. We had to come in here and do some recessed lighting. We did a beautiful fan, painted the fireplace, matched this black with the wood accent beam that's up there. But one thing you're gonna notice about this house right off the bat is that it's staged. This actually really helps when you're selling a home for top dollar, or you just wanna put out the best product. A lot of people that do this professionally, they recommend it. We have 2 sets of staging furniture. And actually this home is on the market, and we have someone that might buy it, and they're interested in all the staging furniture. So I'll kind of walk you through that process as well. Over here to the dining, we have this beautiful light fixture, picked that out. These cabinets are from Lowe's. They're actually prefab, which is really nice. So you don't have to paint them at all. And all the guys have to do is screw them up on the walls and they look good. These shelves are from Lowe's as well. I really like these. I actually just bought some more for another house. We did white quartz 3 centimeter with the backsplash. I like to do that. It just gives it a cleaner look. We did stainless appliances throughout. This is kind of a pretty cool stove right here. I don't remember exactly which kind it is. I actually pulled it from another house. That's why you see like this right here. Whirlpool overrange microwave. And again, the only thing that I don't like about this kitchen, and it was supposed to be in the original material buyout, is an encased cabinetry for the fridge. So this home's kind of a bring your own fridge situation. We staged it, but we didn't include a fridge. So that is the only negative that I don't like about this kitchen, is that we don't have an encased refrigerator. I'll show y'all the garage and then we'll show the rest of the house. This garage is worth looking at. We did have to do a new door here. The door that was here before was trash. This is a pretty cool one set door. I think that's what they call it. This garage was absolutely awful beforehand. And what we did is something pretty cool. We trimmed it all out and then we epoxied the floor. There was a lot of drywall repair that had to have been done here, and it just turned out really nice. We kept the cabinets, we just painted them all, and we just finished this garage out. We put 2 overhead units in. We had to do some garage door repair. It was a little jacked up. We had to replace one of the doors. So beforehand, they had enclosed this. It looked like crap, so it looks really good now. One mistake we made when doing this home was we remodeled the entire house, did all this beautiful flooring, and then the attic was full of stuff. We forgot to check the attic. It was completely stuffed. It was awful. So we had to lay a big tarp down. It actually bashed the walls a little bit. It was a mess. I have started to do this on all my projects. I used to just paint them, but this epoxy just looks killer. People love it. It's nice, light, bright, and people can just picture themselves, okay, this thing's completely move-in ready. Show you the master bedroom. This turned out really nice. Completely staged, did a little bit nicer fan. You don't just go with the cheapest stuff. These are all of our door levers. These are pretty common now. They used to not be, but I ordered these on Amazon. You used to not see these as much. A lot of people just do the cheap little knobs. I like to do the levers. His and hers vanities right here. along with closets. I started to use this acoustic paneling. It looks sick. I really like it. I think it looks awesome. We actually kept the original cabinetry, but we resurfaced it, painted it, and put in new hardware everywhere, new faucet, and then this is the quartz countertop, same that you saw in the kitchen. We kept all the original doors of this house. This is kind of cool. Check this out. So these are all the original doors, but we resurfaced them, we painted them, and then we trimmed it all out. We did all new casing. The reason we kept the doors in this house, there's about 20 of them. $240 a piece. You're talking about $5,000 before tax, before installation. A lot of work to do new doors. I used to rip out all the old doors. It turns out these are all real wood doors, okay? And if you can keep them and they're in good enough shape, you'll save a lot of money. I used to not. So just in this room right here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 doors times 200 and something bucks a piece. I mean, that's $1,000 right there. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home. So you do the math, it adds up fast. This is one of the things that we're really good at, is to check out this beautiful shower that we did. Custom glass as well, and then rain shower head right here. We have our shampoo space right here, and it just turned out really nice. Again, all this tile is from Lowe's as well. The flooring that you see here, we're a distributor of that. I've mentioned that before. If anyone's interested in DFW, we can get you a good deal on it. We're like authorized to sell it, I suppose. We just buy it for ourselves. But if you needed some, hit me up. Lighting, this is from Amazon. This mirror's from Amazon. You just get a lot better deal, and I've compared the quality of the stuff. Yeah, a lot of Amazon stuff's crap, don't get me wrong. But when it comes to like mirrors and lighting, you can actually get some pretty good deals. Again, his and hers, and we have storage right here as well. Nice master bedroom. As you can see, the staging, it kind of just gives it a fresh feel. Doesn't leave a whole lot up to the imagination of what the room's gonna look like. I'll show you the laundry room. We actually kept the washer and dryer with this home, which is great. Kept the cabinetry that was here, painted it, put new knobs on it, closet right here, that's nothing too exciting. And then what we'll do is we'll go over and check out the other bedrooms. This also Lowe's, love those new fixtures that they have there. They look really good. They're overpriced, but they're nice. Here's a bedroom in here, bedroom 1. Again, nice big ceiling fans, all new paint, all new outlets, all new switches, just to give everything a fresh new look. Here's another bedroom right here. You just peek in there real fast. All new outlets, switches, covers, new doorbell, can't forget about that. This is probably one of the nicest things we did to this house. This is a double shower. Come check this out. This thing's sick. Okay, double shower, guys. Not messing around. This is the guest bathroom, but it also, if someone likes to have a good time, you can have a whole party in here. Double mirrors in here. A lot of times when I'm buying these houses, they come with these big mirrors. If I can, I'll trim those mirrors out and keep it. But this one was too bad, or too far gone. This is a massive piece of quartz right here. It comes with the sinks right here, so make your installer, make sure they put in their sinks. We didn't do anything else really here besides a totally new bathroom. New HVAC. Actually, it's not all new HVAC. The inside unit's new, the outside unit is not. Oh yes, save this. This is like 20 bucks. All right, come in here. We have our 4th bedroom. We have, this needs to be tightened up. Built in right here. Again, windows were fine. I'll show you all the backyard. It actually backs up to a football field. It's like a Christian academy. It's not like a big public school or anything. But the craziest transformation throughout all of this, oh crap, pest control. Spider. The craziest transformation throughout this whole house by far is the backyard. Backyards will eat your lunch money up, guys. It's easy to remodel a house. Getting people to actually clean up a yard and do what they're gonna say, it's pretty tough. Come check this backyard out. I know we have video footage of what it looked like before, and the people that lived here actually had a bullfrog named Bertha, and it had been here for 20 years, no joke. And they had statues of this bullfrog, they had paintings of it. We relocated it because we have a conscience. Come back here, this is by far the craziest backyard transformation that you'll see. There used to be a shed there that was terrible, just loads and loads of stuff. We had to do new grass over there. We cleaned up all the fences. We did landscaping, we did this, we did that. We even staged this backyard, guys. We have a swan out here. I mean, we really went all out. And every time you plant new mulch, no matter how good of job you do, weeds always grow through it. So This backyard was a pain in the ass by far. We had a crew working out here, plus a couple other guys. We re-vinyled this whole pool. The equipment is running good, we think. We'll have an inspection done, see how well the buyer will. If stuff needs to be replaced, we will. Over here, we had some electrical work done. Not really a lot you can do here. This old guy, I'm leaving it. I don't know what the hell we do there. It's staying. As you can see, a major backyard cleanup. This was a hard one to do. I just did another one in Arlington. It was a much bigger backyard. I think we spent more time over here. We couldn't do a dumpster here because the city requires like a certain dumpster company. So we actually had to haul most everything off. It takes a lot of time. Hopefully this buyer follows through with it. It's been a fantastic project. It's a beautiful house, great area. We're right across from Colleyville, and I think that's pretty much it. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and like, and I will put out more videos. I love doing these, and thank you for tuning in.